Sandy and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm doing it a little different tonight. I'm doing a little seafood boil or mukbang, whatever you want to call it. I have some king crab, I have some snow crab, I have some mussels here, I have some sausage, I have some crawfish, some corn, I have some eggs, I got some potatoes, and I have some shrimp. Of course, I got my lemon on the side, and I got my sauce, my butter sauce. I couldn't find like a clear bowl to put it in, so it's okay.
You got too much.
And I got my water here. Great. I have my cousin on the side, y'all favorite cousin. Say hey, she doesn't want to be in it tonight, but she will be on the side. How it looks. This is how it looks. And let's try this on. Oh God. So I'm gonna let y'all know from now, this will be messy. So
Find out. Because your mom was asking some last night. I mean, this morning before we bought tissue.
I'm gonna try the egg. The egg is good. I hope y'all can see my food because I did try it. I only took 2 potatoes this time because them potatoes, they definitely fill you up, so you don't want to eat like too much of them because it definitely makes you full. So, how the corn taste? Stopping. So I have some head-on shrimp. I'm gonna peel this off. I'm gonna dip it in this sauce. So I told them that we're gonna eat a little bit, and then we're gonna talk about something. I don't know what we're gonna talk about, but we're gonna figure it out. Let me get a good piece of this so y'all can really see how this look like. Y'all, this is so. I have lemon on this side. Yes, look at that. Whoa. Girl. Let me eat this. I'm gonna try a mussel. This is a mussel. We're gonna try it.
Yeah, I need mussels. Yeah, I can eat mussels, man.
Bro, she's missing out.
I don't eat mussels. Oh, I cried. Oh, I'm not. Oh, my bad.
For some reason, I don't really like this mussel. Some sausage. The sausage is good. Did you try the sausage?
Oh, they got sausage in there?
And it tastes good.
What kind of sausage are those?
I'm not too sure, you know.
Sorry, I can't. I don't know any sausage.
I can't even with you. Some crawfish. This is really good. This is really good. Like, I did a great job. Bro, you could already see there's nothing in this crab. Look at that. I saw it from outside. And the thing about it, what I don't like, they make you buy all these, waste your money, like spend mad money on seafood, and then half of them don't even be having proper meat in the show. Like,
we need to go to Manhattan and get some crab.
I usually go to Canal Street, but I'm going there right now. I'm gonna try this king crab. Do you want to try it, please?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, By the way, guys, this is my first time eating
Woo!
king crab.
Where would you buy king crab from?
At the supermarket. They had it there. And it's very pointy, like, and you should try the lemon. It's really good on the seafood. Squeeze the lemon. So I have my little scissors right here. Let's try this, yo. So the meat, meat, amazing. It's big. Woohoo!
Shit, I might want to eat crab every friggin' day.
Ugh, I love seafood, yo. Y'all don't understand, like.
They making TikToks outside.
Mm. Love it.
I want to try it then.
Okay, y'all,
I'm
so
curious.
people do that all the time. Yes, y'all, so I had to work, and so because of that, most of the time, by the time I come home, I'm already very tired because I work overnight shifts, so I don't really have the time to be doing this. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Now you really see what you've been missing, like when you see everybody eating this. Now you really see what you be missing. No. And for those of y'all who don't know, I paid $51, I think, for four.
For one.
Four of those. This, the two big ones, and two small ones.
So the packets? Well, my week was okay, you know. Nothing too hard, nothing too soft. That's good. Enjoy the week. How was your week?
Well, like I was telling my stuffies, my week was okay. I didn't really do that much. Like I said, I just been working. And like I said, by the time I get home, it's just for me to sleep, like, and then go right back out at the night in the nighttime to work. So I don't really be doing that much. Guys, let me tell y'all something. This is crazy. The fact that I spend so much money on these snow crabs and they hardly have meat inside is kind of like, you know, like, come on. Yeah. But you wouldn't have get this much seafood because, I mean, this much crab because, like I told you before, the king crab is more expensive.
Bussin'?
It's a bussin' though.
Bro, it's been raining all day.
Yes, that too, guys. I forgot to mention, here in New York, for those of you guys, yeah, who live in New York, it's been raining all day since when I got out this morning. Yeah, it's been raining since then.
I think it's gonna be raining tomorrow and about today.
It's gonna rain tomorrow? crawfish on a dog and on a seafood bar.
Bro, I'm telling you. This is the definition when you start eating seafood.
What?
But your seafood busting.
But the seafood is hitting.
This one now.
Crawfish.
It looks so ugly.
It looks like a lobster. Yo, you're so weird. You gotta try these. Let me tell you something. If you don't eat like mussels, clams, and crawfish and them things, I don't consider you a seafood eater, because I can understand for people who don't like octopus and them stuff. Okay, fine, that's a little. But like crawfish and like mussels and clams and them those stuff is like regular things people eat with seafood all the time.
Everything finished. I just get the crab. Somebody want the crab then. Crab slapping.
Yes, y'all. So I feel much better now that I ate, because
I'm sleepy.
I did not eat anything. So the fact that I'm finally getting to eat now, I'm happy about that. And the food tastes great. She can't eat shrimp. She's allergic to shrimp, so she's definitely missing out on the best part. Like, I could go without everything else, but it gotta have shrimp in it. It have to. Like, if this thing don't have shrimp, then we can. I'm not eating it.
Somebody say that I would feel like if I don't make y'all do extra work when it comes to me not eating certain food. This thing. Ooh la la.
Yeah, there's a lot of meat inside.
I like what I feel. I might have fucked it up. Why did I just strain out all the seed and the thing in the fish? I just drink.
Amazing, like. I got everything out of this one. So yeah, empty. So I feel like I'm full.
Yeah, it's fine.
So you guys, I still have a few left. I still have a piece of sausage and some stuff down here, some eggs, shrimp, and other things. I'll still have a whole knuckle from my king crab. I'm full. So this was a quick little mukbang.
Yeah, this shit on me.
And that's that. I enjoyed my food. I did a great job on this meal.
Yes, you
As I
did.
always do. Thank you. And I'm about to go to bed. So thank you guys.
Down on this sleep.
Yes. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell to be notified every time I post a brand new video. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love you guys, and peace out.
Going y'all bed.
Fine, fine, oh, watch your love for like it,